sickness was forever. I remember snuff videos, cold Septembers, the distances we covered, the fist fights on the beach, the busies round us up. Do it all again next week. An embryonic love, the first time that it's scarred. Embarrass yourself for someone, crying like a child. And the boy you kicked Tom's head in still bugs me now. That's the thing, it lingers and claws you when you're down. Stick around, so it can fleece you of your beauty and leave you spent without to offer. Did you hurt the ones who love you? You hurt them like they're nothing. You hurt them like they're nothing. I spent my teens in rage, spiraling in silence, and I armed myself with a grin, 'cause I was always the fucking joker, buried in the humor amongst the white noise and bones.